Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete comments in Canva. If you've ever collaborated on a design and ended up with old feedback cluttering your screen, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove a comment cleanly and keep your project organized. This is especially helpful for Shopify store owners who need to keep their designs looking clean and polished without distractions, whether you're designing product images, promotional banners, or social media posts. Start by opening the specific Canva project you're working on. Make sure you're in the correct file, since comments are tied to each project and even to specific pages within that project. It's important to double-check you're working on the right project because comments are unique to the design or page you're viewing. Once your design is open, look toward the top right of the screen. That's where the comment panel lives. You'll usually see a speech bubble icon here, which is your gateway to seeing all the comments for that design. Clicking the speech bubble icon opens the panel, which lists all the comments associated with your design. In addition to the panel, you can also find comment markers directly on the canvas. These markers appear when someone leaves feedback pinned to a specific spot on the design, so you can quickly locate comments based on where they're related. This makes it easier to see feedback, especially when working with larger designs like web pages or product mockups. Either way, the goal is to locate the exact comment you want to remove so you can keep your workspace tidy. When you've found the comment, select it in the panel so it's clear which one you're focusing on. This helps ensure you're deleting the right comment, especially when there are multiple feedback threads. Now, hover your mouse over that comment. As you hover, a small menu icon with 3 dots will appear. This is the More Options menu for that specific comment. Click the 3 dots and then choose Delete. That's it. The comment is removed from the thread and no longer appears in your project. This is especially useful if you want to clear out old feedback after completing a task or revision, keeping your design workflow smooth and focused. A couple of helpful notes as you do this. If you don't see the 3-dot icon right away, make sure you're actually hovering your mouse over the comments area in the panel. Sometimes it can be easy to miss if you're not precisely over the comment, so make sure you're in the right spot. Also, your ability to delete a comment may depend on your role and permissions in the design. If the delete option isn't available, you might be in view-only mode or working on a design where you don't have edit rights. Switching to an editing role or asking the project owner for the right access should resolve that issue. This is particularly important when collaborating with teams, as you may not have full control over all elements depending on your permissions. Keep in mind that deleting a comment only removes that single piece of feedback. It doesn't affect the rest of your design, and it won't delete other comments unless you repeat the same process for them. This is really helpful when you want to clear completed tasks, remove duplicates, or tidy up discussion threads after a round of revisions. For example, if you've already addressed feedback on a specific product image for your Shopify store, deleting that comment keeps things organized and ensures you're not distracted by completed tasks. To recap the flow you'll use each time, open your project, find the comment in the top right comment panel, hover to reveal the 3 dots, click those dots, and select Delete. With that simple sequence, you can keep your Canva workspace clean, focused, and ready for your next edit. This is especially valuable if you're juggling multiple design projects for your store or social media campaigns. By keeping your feedback clean and organized, you can stay on top of your tasks without unnecessary clutter. I hope this quick tutorial helps you keep your design projects organized and streamlined. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most of Canva for your business. Happy designing!